This is our Math Skills Support Kit, which features time to 5 minutes and money through $5. It is a great way for students to interact with product to practice those skills of telling time and working with money. The first product we have here is our reference card. As you can see, we have the money tree so that students can realize how a dollar can be broken down according to the coins. Then we also have a reference chart over here that tells them the value of each coin and each bill. On the back, it features time. So telling time, this is a great reference for them to look at if they're having a hard time telling time. And then we have our helping hands around the clock, which feature quarter past, quarter till, and half past. The next item we have is our slide and learn. This is a great twist on that classic song, 1 penny is just a penny. So it features 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents. Our next product is our dry erase board, which features movable clock hands and a place for students to write down the time. As you notice, the shorthand is the hour, so the hour line is short. The longhand is minutes, so the minute line is long, because we all know some students have a hard time when they're working with clock hands. Next, we have our rock, paper, scissors game. This is a fun take on that old hand game that you would play. So the way it works is one student turns over their chip and counts the money. The other player turns over their chip and counts the money. And they see who has the greater value. The student with the greater value gets to keep both of the coins. Now let's pretend that the students had tied values. They would then look at the icon to see whether it was rock, paper, or scissors to determine who would win. Finally, we have my favorite feature, which is this dry erase book. As you can see on this page, we have word problems that deal with money, addition, subtraction. And then on the next page, we have time. This book is chock full of practice with time and money. And it comes with these fun decoders. So you simply run the decoder along the red bar on the bottom to check the answers. This is a great way for students to check their answers and to give the teacher time to work with other students. Again, you can use this kit in the classroom or at home for any student that needs extra help with time and money concepts.